Hello everybody, I am Madhukar. I'm super excited because I'm going to introducing the new brand experience of writing and working with VS Code. Recently, Microsoft has introduced the new extension or new feature called C Sharp Dev Kit. So I'm really excited about this for a number of reasons. The first one is it allows non-.NET developers to easily work with .NET projects in their native environment. For instance, my web developer handles HTML and CSS work. However, when I give a C Sharp project, he has been using full Visual Studio, but now he can able to use Visual Studio Code with this, new extension. Second, this meets people where they are at. Like, if you're already familiar with VS Code, I think you can now more easily develop C Sharp projects too. So, how we can install this extension? Uh, this extension already installed in my machine. So this is the C Sharp Dev Kit new extension, but it is in previous state. The version is here you can see the version v 0.1.83. And when I try to install this C Sharp Dev Kit, because previously I don't have C Sharp and IntelliCode for C Sharp Dev Kit, automatically it install the C Sharp Dev Kit and C Sharp. This is IntelliCode for this is optional. You can uninstall it, but this is when you try to install all this one, and it's installed C Sharp and IntelliCode. But this is again it works on the C Sharp Dev Kit. This is a main C Sharp. This extension already developed by OmniShop. Okay, so now let's get started and let's create it with sample application. When I go to Explorer, here you can see open folder and create .NET project. I think you could not see this option before, like when you don't have this C Sharp Dev Kit, you don't get this create .NET project option. So when you install this new extension, you might get you get this option. So that's why I'm saying, other developers, when you try to create an application in VS Code, they have to create, folder and open the folder. Like, they have to use some commands, and by using this command, like example .NET new console, they can able to create the .NET application or web applications or web APIs, anything else. But now you have option, if you select create .NET project. See, now it is asking a template to create a new .NET project. You can see all these template: ASP.NET Core Empty, ASP.NET Core Web API, ASP.NET Core Web App, and ASP.NET Core Web App, Model View Controller, all this class library and console app. Let me check, ASP.NET Core Web API, what it can do. It is asking some, folder again. Let me give, demo web API. Okay, demo web API, and let me select the folder. Okay, what it will do, let's see. Sorry, what is the application name? And demo web API. I will give, see, and compared to Visual Studio, here we are not getting multiple options. Like, you select authentication and you select, HTTPS. Here we are not getting multiple options. This is simple and straightforward, feature. And when you click enter, demo web API, let me, sorry, let's check what it is doing. See, now it's created demo web API. It's like, previously when you create a application in Visual Studio Code, it will give this option, like, folder option. You could see multiple, option here, but uh, let's wait for some time. Yes, this is interesting thing in by using this extension. See, I think you could see this option in Visual Studio Code, like Solution Explorer. Not sorry, Visual Studio Code. I mean, it's Visual Studio. You can see this is Solution Explorer, and you can see Demo Web API project. And when you right click on demo web API project, you can see build, rebuild, clean. Let me build this. So here you are getting multiple options, and here you are getting options like add new file, new folder, open in integrated terminal. These are the options you are getting here. And I'm just building this project. Just wait. So what it is doing, just a minute, let me press any key to, okay, what happened? Okay, let me demo web API. Oh, sorry. What I will do, just a minute. I think here we have an option VS Code settings.json. Let me C sharp debug.console external terminal. Let me use that. Control S. Let me debug start new instance. I think it will open another terminal. Yes, perfect. Okay, fail to read. This is common. Okay. Yes, I think it's working perfectly. Yes, Swagger, web API, weather forecast, sorry. Try it out, execute. See now, okay. So this is about web application. Let's try a console application. Let me close it. So when you want to open in another terminal, because it won't read the values, again I will show you that example so that you can understand. But let me close folder, and now again create a .NET project again. Okay, create .NET project, or what I can do, yeah, anyhow we need to create the select. So let me create console app. Okay, so it is asking demo web API, and let me demo console app. Okay, demo console app. Let me select the folder, and give it will ask name console app demo console. Let me enter demo console, it's created again. Demo console. This is a folder level structure, but it will create the solution as well as just we have seen solution explorer and I think it will create. Will wait some time. Yeah, it's created. Okay, let me previously we have done some set changes here, right? Let me do it because yeah, the problem here is it's given some uh, information like warning, you could not run. That's fine. Yeah, again here you want to read the values from console. I mean, in Visual Studio you can run the console application. It can read the values from console, but here I think it's not, in Visual Studio it won't work because I think that feature is not allowing to read the values from console. Yeah, that's fine, but let's see here. I'm in C sharp uh, debug console. I mean, internal console is the default, but external terminal. Let me, and here we have console application. Okay, and let me run it now. Okay, wait. Solution Explorer. If you expand demo console, see here, and you have multiple options like build, rebuild, clean. We can add new file. Let me once let me run it. Start new instance. It will start the instance like separate terminal, not in this terminal. That's why demo console it will create the DLL. I think it should print, but let me. Sorry. Okay, what's happened? Where is? Oh, where is this one? Sorry. Okay, let me. Okay, maybe console dot read line. There is a problem. Let me close this and kill its terminal and new terminal not use. Let me go to the project and debug start new instance. I think it should wait because previously when we work with Visual Studio, when you run the application, I think yes. Failed to read. This is fine, but here hello world, it's printed because it's just trying to read the content. But yeah, that's why we can able to see the output here. Okay, let me do something here and then demo console. This is new file or add a new file class. I'm going to add a demo model. Let me, yes, demo model. Let me uh, public static. I'm just taking one method only. I'm not doing any static string get greeting. Okay, string name, and this is dollar. Okay, hello name. This is fine, and will call this from here console dot not hello world, console dot write line. Now I'm calling demo model. Okay, dot sorry dot get greeting. Okay, I need to pass the string Madhukar. Okay, and let me close this. Okay, console read line. Okay, what is I think. Okay, fine. Demo console demo model get greeting, and this is demo model. Okay, that's fine. Try to run this. Let's check it out. Okay, just a minute. What I did. Okay, sorry. Program.d. Okay, get but demo model. Program.cs console.read line. How it is coming? This is strange. Oh, sorry. It's coming. Yeah, I thought I'm trying to print hard coded values, but it's not like that. That's good. Well and good. Terminal will be reused. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Okay. You know, that's about C Sharp Dev Kit, and we can do testing as well. Testing, but I didn't. I don't. I'm not explaining that feature in now, but maybe in upcoming videos you can see those concepts as well. But now that's it about C Sharp Dev Kit. It's very useful for developers. As I said, for non they would love it because it's not like Visual Studio. It's simple previous Visual Studio code. Now you can use these options, like, and you can create applications easily. You can use effectively this Visual Studio code. But the thing is, bad thing is this is still in previous state, and the version is 0.1.83. Again, right, it's based on again it works like C sharp extension. The C sharp extension, right, C sharp extension is open source and freeware, but this C sharp dev kit is completely closed source. But we don't know how these the changes are going on, but only whenever updated version will get it, right, we can install and we can use that. But as I said, C sharp is that is still open source. You can contribute that. But again, this is a licensed one. C sharp dev kit licensed one, as right, Visual Studio, how we are using community edition. The same way, community edition, you personally you can use this Visual Studio code, but enterprise level, it it should be charged, like based on the project. It's but development is going on, and still in C Sharp Dev Kit you could see more features. Hopefully, it's day by day, more features will be added to C Sharp Dev Kit, and it will be easy, and it's for everybody. It's non .NET developers, or it will really help those people. Yeah, that's it about C Sharp Dev Kit, and yeah, thank you so much. Please subscribe. Bye.